Okay, another design principle, two in a row. Now I'm going to talk about encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is basically just the idea of keeping as many functions, as many variables as possible private. So, in case you don't know, you have private and public functions. Private functions can be accessed from inside, only from inside the class, and public functions can be accessed from outside the class, from other classes. Now, what is the point of making classes private? Making classes, oh, sorry, making functions and variables private. It's just for security reasons, to make it harder to have certain functions and variables be accessed. So that makes it, that's a good thing there. It's easier for testability because you just have to test less functions, because anything that is from anything that can be used from the outside can only be used from functions and variables from the inside, meaning that if you test all of the public functions and variables, you are at the same time also testing the private functions and variables. So that's really cool. What else? What else? So security control is a very good one. So it's just easier to. So if you want to put certain conditions on what a variable can be, for example, then you can retrieve the variable, and if the variable isn't a certain thing, so you can retrieve a variable with a method, and if the variable isn't a certain thing, then you can make the methods change what the method returns, basically. So that's a convenient method. Um, and then the last option is just for implementation. So if you want to change something, if you want to change something, and the something is private, then less things will be affected by that thing. So things from outside of the class, they won't be affected. So it's much easier to make a change to something. Yeah, that is the point of encapsulation.